Cap.
I'm not seeing it, my love.
Oh, I don't believe you, my
Love, no. It just... What a box. Thanks. This isn't mine.
He what? I started giving him money.
They must have given it to him because he looked like he doesn't need it. Me neither. Well, donate it. To whom? Is there many people who need it? Come on, come with me.
Do it.
There's someone here who needs it.
What's happening there? The cap fell off. I picked it up so people started throwing money at me.
Bless you. You're very pretty. God bless you.
Have a nice day.
You're very good. God will bless you. Thank you very much. You too. God bless us all.